Turn on the main power switch. Turn the ignition switch on. Release the parking brake. Emergency stop button. Hand throttle switch. Gear selector switch. Left for forward. Center for neutral. Right for reverse. Accelerator pedal. Brake pedal. Hand throttle adjustment switch. Move the joystick forward to rotate the concrete mixer forward. Move the joystick backward to rotate it in reverse. Return the joystick to center to stop the mixer.